friends, welcome back. It's me Sinto, and in this video I will show you my new blue diamond discus pair. So I had some discus fishes growing in my grow out tank. That was a result of a crossbreeding between two different types of discus. So I sold some of my healthy discus fishes to a local pet store, and he gave me a blue diamond discus pair in exchange and also a budgie bird, and remaining money he told that he will give me after he has sold out the fish. So the blue diamond discus fish are very stunning to look at. I will show you those discus fishes in this video. So this is one of the discus fish that I am intending to sell. It has lot of wild stripes and various blue colors. So it is a result of crossbreeding. Also this is a checkerboard pigeon discus. The checkerboard pattern is inherited from its mother. The checkerboard patterns are not appearing clearly. It will develop after the discus grows to further big sizes. And these completely wild stripes on the eyes you can see here. These are stunning looking discus. Once you introduce them in planter tank, they will look very beautiful. This is complete yellow discus. There are no patterns on the skin. This color will look very stunning in the planted aquarium if you introduce it. There are a lot of discus in this grow out tank, so I need to sell them. This is the complete yellow discus, and look how it's looking right now. It is looking very stunning. So I am planning to transfer about medium sized 6 of them into a separate bucket. Then I will pack it in a pack and I will sell it to the local pet store. To take out the discus, first I will drop a plastic bag like this into the bucket. Then I will fill the aquarium water into it and take out the required discus one by one. Should only fill up to half of the bag, and remaining should be air, so that the discus could breathe air when it is being transported to the local pet store. Now you can see that my aquarium water has been lowered by about 30% of water. It's time to catch the medium sized discus fish. So the shopkeeper don't accept very small discus fish. The fish should be about 3 inch from mouth to tail. So I am catching those discus fish. So the first catch was easy. I am using a light net and I am making sure that the fish don't stress out as I chase them and catch them inside the net. Time for the third catch. So what all are the requirements for selling a good discus fish to the local pet store? First, the size should be about 3 to 4 inches from mouth to tail. Second, the color should be very well. For that you should always feed your discus fish daily with good immunity food. Better the immunity, better will be the color of the discus fish. Also, some of the ingredients in the discus fish food also enhance the color of the discus fish. I have already made a video reviewing some of the discus fish food. You can watch that video if you want to know which discus fish food is better for the discus. I usually feed tetrabids. It gives a lot of immunity to the discus fish and it also enhances the color. So if you are intending to sell the discus fish, make sure you are taking care of all these parameters about the quality of the discus fish. That is the size of the discus fish, the color patterns, the color and the health of the discus fish. Now I have took about 6 discus fish from my grow out tank. Now I will take it to the local pet store and give it to them. So I am here at the local pet store and I saw this green arowana kept in a very large aquarium. It cost about 20k Indian rupees. There is no certification for this arowana, but still the arowana is looking very stunning. Maybe the green pattern will appear later if the lighting is good. There are some green shades on the fin if you look closely. And there was also a alligator gar in the aquarium. Some fishes were fed to it. We can see that some fishes are kept there. These fishes grows to very large size. I have already made a video about top 10 fishes which grows to very large size. So these cannot be kept in aquariums. This should be kept in very large swimming pools or very large ponds. So there it is, the fishes that I sold them to the local pet store. It is kept inside a bucket and some air stones have been dropped into it. This is a red-tailed catfish. This fish also grows to very large size and cannot be kept in the aquarium. I have already made a super video about top 10 fishes that goes to large size. You can check it out in the cards popping above. So I am back from the local pet store, and in exchange of those discus fish I got this budgie bird. I think it is a male. It is trying to come out. And I got a blue diamond pair. They are a little bit small, but since they are pair, it is a good sign. So I have kept the bag with the blue diamond pair inside the grower tank. After 15 minutes of acclimation, I will release them. So guys, 35 minutes have passed, so I have kept it in the acclimation. Now I will release them into this discus grower tank, and let's see how it looks. So let's do it. This is the net and bucket setup. I will empty the water of this bag and I will put the discus back into it. That's very simple. I think you may know it. Let's do it. So here they are in the net. I'm putting it into the water. There it goes. Both of them are inside the grower tank. Now I will show you some close-up looks of this blue diamond discus. So there they are at the bottom of the filter. Both of them are there. I think they are stretched out. So let me see in the morning or after 12 hours. They should be okay. Let's check it out whether they got any disease or not. So we will check it out in after 12 hours. So it is the next morning and I can see that they are eating the food that I have given to them, and the color is also normal, so there is no disease sign on the discus pair. Everything is good. But I think that one of the discus is a cobalt blue instead of blue diamond, because one of the discus is dark in color. Anyway, I have taken some shots of this discus fish. You can enjoy it in the rest of the video. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you have any comments about my new blue diamond pair, please comment it in the comment section. I would like to know it. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like and share this video. After subscription, turn on the bell notification so that you are the first to be notified when the next video comes up. Thanks for watching so far. Bye and take care.